Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you a Pioneer double-DIN system installed on a Hummer H2 2006. We also installed a rear camera in this vehicle and a front camera. So first we have the rear camera in the back in here. We've decided in this case to go with a camera that has a bracket that can move and not a flash mount, as with a flash mount camera, because the vehicle is very high, you won't get enough of the floor. With this one with the bracket, the customer has an option to adjust it if you want to make it a bit lower or a bit higher, so it's up to the customer. Now we're going to show you the front camera. So front camera, we did again the same thing. Camera that the customer can adjust inside. So you have the camera in here, you can adjust it, you can do it lower or higher. Very nice, very clean. You can see it from here. And now we're going to show you the radio. So we have a Pioneer double-DIN radio. By the way, we also have we've installed a push button in this vehicle, so it's no longer a regular key, but that will show you in the next video. So we have our radio in here. So won't have any noise. Okay. Now this radio is a 7-inch system. It has Apple CarPlay. It's also wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have a CD in the back here and a memory card input. We close the screen. Now I'm going to show you how the front camera looks. So we're going to press here. We're going to go to camera view. So we have the front camera in here. We can see a bit of the bumper. Again, you can adjust it if you want to see more. As you can see, wide angle camera, so you can see very good to the sides of the vehicle, which is very hard in this vehicle to see the sides. So that's one of the reasons the customer wanted to have the front one. And you can actually see the rear one without even putting the vehicle in reverse. But obviously when the car is in reverse, even if you're on the front camera, it's automatically going to change to the rear camera. And you can add lines if you want to have lines. The system also has, like I said, the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and other features. For more videos, you can always subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching us, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.